Okay, we'll do this. Right. Look at it. We can easily uh, do the calculation task what we want. Like up here, we did done the dividends. Up metana dividends ekak kara, right? Now think we need to do some subtraction here. Look at this. We need to get some sort of subtractions to this cell. May cell එකට ගන්න ඕන subtraction එක. We have to subtract this from this, right? We need to subtract this from this. Look at this. Sum we did easily do that, right? Understood it. We did easily do that, right? So here are the here is a here is some sort of matter that related to data. මේ data සම්බන්ධ matter එකක් මේ. So how did we solve that? We did solve it using some sort of program. Actually, this Excel is a common program for lots of calculation matters, right? Excel is a common program for some sort of calculation matters. By this program, we can solve lots of calculation tasks, right? Then, if a matter which can if a complicated matter which cannot be solved by this type of software, what can we do? We need to create a specific software for the particular matter, right? If we cannot use the common software, we need to create a specific program or software for the particular matter. For that, we need to use a programming language to create a program. But before create a program, we need to use an algorithm. I have this explained it earlier. Now I'm not going to explain earlier because I did explain again because of Litira. Now I'm not going to explain that, right? Now we'll move up to that types of algorithms. There are two types of algorithms, textual and pictorial. Today also I did re-explained textual method and pictorial method, right? We know properly about these two methods. It's clear? අපි මේ methods එක දන්නවා හොඳට. මේ ටික clearද? Are you all clear those things?
Yes, sir.
Sadhanu, Puta?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Then we'll see how are we going to solve, how are we going to create algorithms for some sort of matters. How are we going to create algorithms for some sort of matters? අපි බලමු කොහොමද අපි algorithms හදන්නේ මේ සමහර මේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට අපිට එන some sort of matters that related to data. We'll see. We will take very small matters. අපි ගමු පොඩිම ප්‍රශ්න ටිකක්. We'll take some small matters. අරන් බලමු පොඩි ප්‍රශ්න ටිකක්. ඉස්සෙල් මතක් කරගන්න. Think if we have a matter to calculate, to add 4 numbers together. Think if we had a matter to gather 2 numbers together, 4 numbers together, right? How can we do this? First we need to create a program for this. Before create a program, what we have to do is we should create the particular algorithm. Right? There are two methods of creating algorithms, pictorial and textual. Right? Do I need to show you all that how to create an algorithm for this question? Or you can. Do I need to explain? Or you can do it by yourself. Anyway, I'll show Mang I කියල් දෙන්න. Solving the matters by algorithm. First one. Need to find the total of any four. Need to find the total of any four numbers. Right? Actually, think we need to create a program for this. Think. Solve this matter, we need to create a program for this. මෙතන topic එක ලියන්න ඕන solving matters by algorithms නෙමෙයි. Creating algorithms for programs. Creating algorithms for programs. Right. Need to find the total of any four numbers. For this, we need to create a program. Right. Program. Right. To solve this matter, we need to create a program. Right. Before create a program, first of all, what we need to do? We need to have a proper understanding. Right? We need to have a proper understanding about this problem by analyzing this. Need to have a proper understanding about the problem by analyzing it. Right? Actually, it's very simple matter, right? Actually, it's very simple matter. Here, analyzing means What do you have to do? Analyzing. Analyzing means we need to know. Analyzing means we need to know what are the inputs that should use to solve this matter. What should use to solve this then next process. What should use to solve this matter? And output. What will be the output when solve the matter? Analyzing part is this. Understood this now? It's clear. Is it clear?
Understood, sir.
Adanu, Puta, Anu, have you understood this? Yes, Anu's mic is not working. Right. Okay. Okay, Anuk. Right. Then write down this topic. Creating algorithms for programs. Right. Example. This is the example. අපි කලින් notes ටික ලියාගත්තේ කොහෙද අර rough sheets වලද? Have we written the particular early notes by rough sheets? Is that so? Savira?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then take another rough sheet and write it down. This thing, creating algorithms for programs. This is a sample exercise, right? Sample exercise. Need to find the total of any 4 numbers. This is the matter, right? I'll make a ලියනවා මේ විදියට within brackets. I'll mention matter, right? Right. Write down this. Right. Everybody write down this. Please switch on the videos. Everybody please switch on the videos and write down this. Sadhanu, have you understood the thing what I explained, Pute?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then write down this. Better write it down by a rough sheet. Earlier also you have already written down by the rough sheets. You all have to put those things to the file. File letter දාන්න.
Okay, sir.
Right. Do this quickly. Anuk, please switch on the video. Anuk, please switch on the video. Right. You cannot switch off this because Savira cannot switch on because he has a matter, power matter. Right. Finished or still writing?
Still writing.
Okay.
Still writing, sir.
Okay, Puta. I did add something here. We need to have a proper understanding about the problem by analyzing it before create the program, right? Okay. Better add this. Make a add karaganda, right? You better add this. Okay, finished.
Yes, sir.
Puta, Sadhanu, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Right. Anuk, finished? Anuk, better switch on the video, please. Right. Okay. Now we'll see that how to solve this matter by an algorithm. Right. First, I'm going to solve this by pictorial method. Right. We need to create an algorithm, right? Pictorial method. You know what are the symbols we need to use, right? You know that. What are the symbols to be used when creating a pictorial algorithm, right? Here, I'm going to start this by using the oval, start, then we need to input numbers. We need to input numbers, right? Actually, in a program, we need to say අපි හිතමු program එක අපි දානවා. මෙන්න this is the program. Look at this. Think this is the created program to calculate the numbers. හිතන්න මේක තමයි program එක කියලා අපි හදමු. Numbers calculate කරන්න. Right? ඒකේ මුලින්ම තියෙනවා. It mentions input number 1, right? Here there's a little space to put number 1, right? This will be the final appearance of the created program, right? Input number 1, right? This will be the interface of the program, right? Input number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then finally, it might show the total. Finally, it might show the total here. This will be the final output of the program, right? Right. Then to develop this program, we need to create the algorithm. Maybe final output of the program. Maybe final output of the program, this, right? හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න මම මෙච්චර මේ කියන්නේ, right? This is the created program's final output, right? To have this output, we need to create the program by programming language, right? Okay. To have this output, we need to create the program by programming language. එකත් මෙතන mention කරනවා. To have the shown interface shown program with the interface program with the interface we need to develop the program by programming language. Right. For that, we need to have this for that need to have an algorithm. ඔන්න හොඳටම තේරෙන විදි තේරෙන්න මම මේක මෙහෙම ඇන්දේ right. Right. මේ විදියට interface එක එන්න right. May be final output of the program right. Then to get this interface with the program, we need to develop the program by programming language right. For that we need to have an algorithm. අපිට ඒකට algorithm එකක් ඕන right. ඒකයි වෙන්නේ. Now we'll create a pictorial algorithm. අපි කොහොමද මේ pictorial algorithm එක ලියන්නේ? ගණන් හතරක් සංඛ්‍යා හතරක් එකතු කරද්දි මොකද ඉස්සෙල්ලා වෙන්නේ? To have this output right, we need to create a program like this. අපි මේ විදියටයි program එක create කරන්න ඕනේ. මුලින්ම මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ? First part we have to do. First part we have to get the numbers that we want to add right. It means we have to input the particular 4 numbers right. This is how we mention input items by the pictorial manner. Look at this. Input number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. This should be the first step. This should be the first step of the algorithm. This is input part. This is input part. Input. Then the secondly, what we have to do? We have to calculate we have to do the calculation task. To get the total, we need to get the calculation. We need to do the calculation task. In the calculation task, what we have to do? We have to add these numbers together. We have to add these numbers together. Adding means it's some sort of process. Add කරනවා කියන්නේ. Finding the total means some sort of process. අපි හිතන්නකෝ manual කරනවා කියලා. එකතුව හොයන්නේ කොහොමද? එක ඇඟිලි ටික එකතු කරනවා. 1 2 3 4 කියලා. Right? If not, we are writing on a paper and finding the total. Some sort of process. Right? Therefore, we are going to present this process in a rectangle. Right? Children, log into next session. Another few seconds to end this session. Right? Therefore, we are going to show this process in a rectangle. Okay? We'll see. We may process a rectangle and make a process. Total equals number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 plus number. Right. This is the process.